Buzz and Bob's Big Adventure. Diddy, Buzz and her cousin Bob. They are going on holiday to an adventure camp. Buzz and Bob arrive at the camp. Buzz is very excited. Look, Bob, what shall we do first? On Monday, they ride BMX bikes. This is great. Be careful, Bob. On Tuesday, they go rock climbing. Look out for the rock, Bob. Ouch. Buzz have Bob to the top. On Wednesday, they go rotting. Bob is very scared. His face goes green. Come on, Bob, this is great. On Thursday, Buzz and Bob go caving in an underground cave. There are a lot of bats. It's dark in here, I don't like bats. On Friday they go surfing. They do surfing tricks. Look at me. I'm a great. I am great surfer. I am great surfer. Oh no, you are not. On Saturday they go parachuting. They jump and fall top the air, but oh no, something is wrong. Can you say, Bob? Buzz, help me. Buzz catch Bob. They float down to earth. They float down to earth. Thank Buzz. You saved me. Well done, Buzz. You are very brave. Your speckle spray your bungee jump. Great. Here we go. Here I go. Well done, Buzz. You are very brave. Your special prize is a bungee jump. Great. Here I go. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Eric the enzyme. One day there was a big storm. Lightning struck a mountain and a rock ran onto the train line. Second saw what happened. They called his friends, Rabbit, Frog, and Mouse. We must move it. The 10:50 London train will be here in 1 hour, said Rabbit. The animal tried to move it. They pushed and pushed, but it would not move. I know, said Frog. Let's get Eric the engine. He's stronger than all of us. There's no time, said Mouse. I will get him, shouted Seagull. Help! There's a rock on the train line and the London train is coming very soon. Eric told his whistle and called his friends. On the engine rattled around. Eric was a big and strong but not very fat. He asked the expression go to ahead. You go first. Then you, said Eric, and he sent his friend ahead. I will follow you. The engine raced along, but the London train was getting closer. The train arrived. The two express train pushed, but the rock couldn't move. The London train was coming over the hill. Two more engines arrived and they pushed too. The rock moved a little, but the London train was coming around the corner. They can't do it, said Mouse. Then Eric arrived. He took his whistle and pushed with all his strength. He pushed the front engine and the front engine pushed the rock. Slowly the rock moved. Then it ran faster and faster until it flew over the cliff. The London train arrived. It swept past the engine and the animals who were waiting on the other line. The train blew its horn. Thank you.